Good day and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to inscribe a cycle in a triangle using the question displayed. So the question says, a triangle ABC stands on side AB as base and has the following dimensions. AB 89 mm, AC 76 mm, angle CAP 67.5 degrees. Construct the triangle and draw the inscribed cycle. So I will start by drawing the triangle. From the question says triangle ABC, and the dimension of AB is given as 89 mm. So I will start by drawing AB. So for the AB, I will just draw a horizontal line. That is, the horizontal line should be 89 mm in length. So I will label the line AB. And also in the question, they said angle CAP is 67.5 degrees. So I will first I will place my protractor on point A. Then I will mark angle 67.5 degrees, that is from this side. So now I will draw a line passing through the point I marked, that is from point A. This line should be a thin continuous line, that is a fence line. The question says AC is 76 mm. So I will adjust my compass to radius of 76 mm. Then I will place the compass on point A. Then I will cut arc on the line I just drew, that is the thin continuous line. So I will label the point where the arc cut through the line, that is the point where the arc intersects the line. I will label the point C. So now I will draw a line from point C to point B. I will also make from point C to point A bold. So now we have our triangle. So we have the triangle. So next now is to inscribe a cycle in the triangle. So I will do so by bisecting any two corners of the triangle, that is, any two angles. So to bisect, I will go this way. So I will bisect corner A and corner B. So I will adjust my compass to a suitable radius. Then I'll place it on this point. Then I will cut arc this way. Also, I will cut arc to intersect it. So I will do the same for point B. So now we project the bisectors. So I will label the point where the bisectors intersect, O. So I will place my compass on point O. That is the point where the bisectors intersect. Then I will draw my cycle. If your construction is accurate, your cycle will just fit into your triangle. So we are done with this question. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, if you have any question on engineering and technical drawing in general, you can message me on WhatsApp.